Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And you know, so we're still in the flashback segment. We can't go flashback and don't go Tommy Lee. We cannot go flashback and don't go Sparta Bars. So we're there with Psycho. So I remember when this song was out. Get it fair run, nice run. Then we turn on GTA 5 one day. And this song I playing on my car. Cause when me I play GTA 5, as the channel said, Jamaica's worst gamer, I'm a gamer. When me I play GTA 5, I'm turn on and put on Blue Arc radio station on GTA 5 and hear this at, yo, me get cross. What me say? Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up, you see me? Jamaica_worst_gamer on Instagram, you see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. That song, yeah, make me kill enough people in a GTA 5. So we're there with Psycho, Tommy Lee, Psycho. Big up, Tommy Lee, let's go. Arc them a arc. Talk them a talk. Him never make the rhythm even jump in area. Talk them a talk.
Tommy Lee, me a talk from here with be a badness back at that. Man Psycho. Gaza run boy.
Who remember when Tommy Lee just forward out and Tommy Lee was the only artist that was humming. You know when your grandmother they in the house with you and she walk around the house or do something and she hum? She hum from night till night. And you don't know where she hum say, but she know where she hum say. Tommy Lee was the first artist to come to that. Get it?
Man Psycho. Gaza run boy.
Fool. While Tommy Lee was in prison, this song went crazy on TikTok, doing mad numbers on TikTok. You can't count out them hit song, you dog.
Gaza run boy.
Fool.
Gaza me run boy. Boy them a flip me ratchet, we push me your chest, we shoot one of them boy. Sparta sense.
Man said the boy them a flip. Him ratchet can we push through your chest. Him we shoot one of them boy.
No more them, but me know about we. A Gaza me run boy. Boy them a flip me ratchet, we push to your chest, we shoot one of them boy. Sparta send some cyanide and burn two gun powder. No boy just a lick them some pussy more. We no bow, we no fear on ya. We no bow, we no fear on ya. Yeah.
Hey.
Say them a killer and nobody no heard of them. Tough chat like you a man afraid of you. Mind me send one of me demon girl from Sparta come suck off your cock and murder you.
So them a killer, nobody no know them, brother. Nobody no heard of them. You get tough child like say one man afraid of you. Man, me send one of me demon girl them. Come deal with your wicked, leak you out, weak you out and murder you.
Say them a killer and nobody no heard of them. Tough chat like you a man afraid of you.
Mind me send one of me demon girl from Sparta go
suck off your cock and
murder you.
This me no wanna if not suppose. Send me dead friend them come shoot in a crowd.
Man say I go send him dead friend them come shoot you in a cloud. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by sending dead friend them come shoot you in a cloud? Comment section, talk to me.
Yo, mind me send one of me demon girl
from Sparta go suck off your cock and murder you.
This me no wanna if not suppose. Send me dead friend them come shoot in a crowd. And don't try running cause you will get ghosts.
Nobody try running, brother. You will lose a little 3 points. You will get ghosts. Yeah. I'm not talking about ghosts in a power neither. No. You will get ghosts. You will get...
I'm Sparta, come suck off your cock I murder you. This me no wanna if not suppose.
Send me dead friend them come shoot you in a
crowd. And don't try running cause you will get ghost.
Yeah.
Me no know about them but me know about we. A cause of me run boy yeah. Boy them a flip me ratchet. Me will push to your chest. Me will shoot one of them boy yeah. Sparta send some cyanide. About to dragon border. No boy just a lick them some pussy more. We no bow with no fear on ya. We no bow with no fear on ya. Yeah.
We not bar with no fear on ya, brother. When we look whenever you see it breadfruit, no. We're not coward. We're fearless. Fearless.
Them some pussy more. We no bow with no fear on ya. We no bow with no fear on ya.
Yeah.
Bus boy head of them gate daily.
Bus boy head of them gate daily. Yeah. We come in your place, come bust your head. Cause we no fear.
Oh no. We no bow with no fear on ya.
Yeah.
Bus boy head of
Them gate daily.
in front past that school picnic.
So tell the boss don't respect nobody else. So the kid don't respect nobody in front past and school picnic. Jesus Christ. School picnic them traumatized. Pastor, pray for them, please.
Yeah, bus boy head of them gate daily.
In front past that school picnic.
Try to make you look burn out when the demons come out for your soul when the devil sent thee.
Don't make your luck run out when the demons them come out when the demons them send fee. Don't make your luck run out, brother. Don't make me say that. Knock on your door. No.
Try to make you look burn out when the demons come out for your soul when the devil sent thee. Rain are the worst thing you will see. Oh, them set the people on me. Bullshot.
My man tells him tormented him haunted. In torment him haunted. Them set up upon him. Yeah.
Don't make you look burn out when the demons come out for your soul when the devil sent thee. Rain are the worst thing you will see. Oh, them set the people on me. Bullshot in a head arrogantly.
Fall.
Oh, no know about them, but me know about we. A cause of me run, boy, yeah. Boy, them a flip me ratchet. Me will push to your chest. Me will shoot one of them, boy, yeah. Sparta send some cyanide and go to Dragon border. No boy just a lick them some pussy more. We no bow, we no fear on ya. Me no know about them, but me know about we. A cause of me run, boy, yeah. Boy, them a flip me ratchet. Me will push to your chest. Me will shoot one of them, boy, yeah. Sparta send some cyanide and go to Dragon border. No boy just a lick them some pussy more. We no bow, we no fear on ya. We no bow, we no fear on ya. Yeah.
Yo, Tommy Lee is the first gothic artist, like gothic, like the dark artist. Tommy Lee introduced a style to the biz. You see me? So enough of them artists I know when they say them dark and them this and them. Tommy Lee been done that. Tommy Lee been said that. You hear me? Tommy Lee following, you see Tommy Lee audience, Tommy Lee fans them, Europe. The whole of Europe, Tommy Lee responds for Europe. Sweden, Germany, Poland, all them places, Tommy Lee responds. Amsterdam, Tommy Lee responds for them places, dog. When the man they go up on tour them places, a problem. Yeah. Tommy Lee fan base not normal, bro. Some don't want to feel say Tommy Lee a normal artist, dog. The boss not normal. You see me? So yeah. When this found out, like me say, obviously right now, Tommy Lee is supposed to still get money from Rockstar who make GTA games. He's supposed to still make money from it because this song still play in the game. So we know some get a nice food off of them because that's $1 billion company. It's $1 billion gaming company. So we know some make a nice food off of them. So big up yourself, Sparta boss. You see me? Your talent to put you out there, bro. You see me? GTA 6 I found out to want to hear some more dance all the night, some bad dance all the night, same way. You see me? So yeah. Family, big up yourself, Sparta boss. Sparta! Yo! This is I'm gonna leave the one I still, guys. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, you know if you do already. Right? I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.